farmer's market. There's a bunch of people. Lots of anti-maskers, which you do you, but like not by me, please. We can go check out an apple stand. Fun fact, I like to give apples to apples. I like to give apples to apples too. That's Erin. We don't like her very much, but she pretends to be included.
The creator Pringles ashes are buried in a Pringles can.
That's Elliot. He's special. Okay, this is Xavier.
Hello.
He's kind of funny today.
Thanks, I
But
try.
that's okay. He does his best, which isn't always the best.
Hey.
Don't let him know I said that. Did you steal that or did you buy it?
Buy edibles.
Fun fact, sheep are my favorite food to eat. Just kidding, I don't like sheep. Mom, what kind of jams did you get?
I got cantaloupe, peach, and yellow tomato pineapple.
All right.
That's fun. This vlog is about done.
No, it's not.
Make sure.
What are you talking about?
This vlog segment, my bad, Xavier. How do you turn this off?
All right. Now we're at this. What is this?
You have a way with words, Xavier.
Thank you. I try. What is this?
Cucumber waterworks.
All right. Now we're at this big overlook thing here in where are we? Cucumber.
Iowa waterworks.
Cucumber. The city of
Kyok. It's Kyok.
the city of whatever that is. Now we are walking out on this boardwalk looking thingy to get a better view of the Mississippi River from Iowa. So that thing apparently connects the train track to this bridge so the train can cross here into Iowa, and then over there
the keyhole, never mind.
that thing is
I want
a lock for boats. That there, that is a train depot, and it's also an Amtrak station.
Crossing train tracks leads to.
So you might be asking, what the heck are we doing out in the middle of nowhere at Victory Park? Well, let me show you. Cool statues, train tracks across the Mississippi, train track, freight trains, more train tracks, highway, train depot. So while yes, we are in the middle of nowhere, still lots of cool stuff to see.